So we're just getting going this morning. Jaden, what are you having? You having cereal? He puts his cereal on a dish. I've never seen anybody eat their cereal from a dish.
Yeah, but I'm not using milk.
I get that. I understand that.
Hi.
You got the same thing?
Except with milk and in a bowl.
So we bought these cookies. We're gonna have to try them. We got Swedish fish Oreos. Corey Kenshin did a video on it, so we're gonna have to try them. We have a few videos actually that we need to do. We need to like get going on them. Yeah. So yeah, it's really nice out, right? It's super. Have you been outside?
What?
Have you been outside? Like seriously, step outside.
It's cold out.
It's not cold out. It's perfect out. That's the first time we've actually woke up in the morning, walked outside, and was like, hey, you can breathe. Yeah, it's really nice out. So we're gonna have to go do something.
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Hey guys.
Hi.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
So I like your shirts. They're awesome.
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah. So we are at one of our favorite restaurants, Jersey Mike's. Jason's working, so we decided to have some mom and son time, right?
Yeah.
Although we miss Jason. Yeah, mom and son's time. We miss Jason when he's working, but yeah. I guess we'll have to do without him.
And catch Pokemon without him.
Hey, don't tell him that. Hey, something smells really good.
Yeah, I know.
It's like Chinese food. All right, let's go get our Jersey Mike's.
Yeah. Wait until I get a tachometer so I can put it in the incubator so I don't run out.
He's discussing Pokemon strategy. We're drinking this Jersey Mike's. Me and Jesse already finished. I'm full.
I'm close.
Yeah,
Well, I felt like I was full. My stomach hurt until I let out that huge bolt.
So we came to the park and the boys are playing Pokemon. Well, I am too. I'm playing Pokemon.
Everyone's playing
Pokemon. And getting some exercise. It's beautiful out. It's not like, oh my god, it's dying. We're so hot today. It's actually really nice out.
Okay, and there's a gold duck nearby.
There's a gold duck nearby. If you guys can see on my, see how he's a shadow for me? That's because I don't have him.
He's not shadow to me because I have one.
These guys have one. I don't have one of those yet, so I'd like to catch one because that's 600 points, something like that.
Yeah. So. And it's gonna be new, so it's gonna be like it's gonna be 1,000.
No.
That's for a lucky egg. No, but it's gonna be 600 points. But I thought it was 2,000 if you have a lucky egg. No. It's okay. Genius one.
Hey, buddy. How are you?
Good.
Yeah. So we just finished our walk. Now we're just sitting. They have this like really cool little deck. It's got some rocking chairs. It's got a bird feeder there. Watching the birds.
Really nice. Really nice out.
It is really nice out. I'm looking for my cardinals. I love cardinals.
Yeah,
my
they're really cool.
favorite bird, and they have a ton of them here.
Yeah, they're really cool looking.
Yeah. So colorful and bright.
Yeah. Oh, I know. question. Well, not really question of the day, but question for all of the people that are watching. What is your favorite kind of bird? So.
What's yours?
I would have to say like probably Zapdos. Just kidding, no, it's a Pokemon. Probably either a robin, or a regular bird, a pigeon or something, or a pidgey. I like pidgeys.
I like seagulls too.
Seagulls are cool, but I think I like robins best. I like blue jays.
You like blue jays?
Because it has part of my name in it.
Ah, and you're blue.
Hey guys, so I am doing nothing right now. I'm like talking through my nose. I'm doing nothing right now. Okay, and Jesse is eating soupity. It might be dark. We should have turned on these lights too. Yeah, and I got a brand new bike. See, this is my bike.
Not a bike. I mean, I can go like this.
Okay. No, he said, I don't know. But I got a case. See right here?
What does that kitchen?
It's a case. It's OtterBox because they're awesome cases. OtterBox. Okay. And yeah, I love this color. Like, beep, 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 beep. And yeah. Also, we're playing this new game. It's kind of like Pokemon Go, except it's called Pixelmon Go. Oh yeah, it's totally. I don't play it anymore. I deleted it.
I didn't install it yet.
See, it's called Pixelmon Go. Right now it's broken. Like see the GPS, it's just blank everywhere. Just blank. It just does not work right now because the latest update. But it's kind of fun. Like I'm pretty far, not too far, but like if you click on here, see I have all these guys. I've caught 9 out of 54 Pokemon. Well, Pixelmon, and there is your guy just moved. Like I said, the GPS is broken right now, but there's like lures you can place down. There's like PvP, which is the coolest thing. They're AI bot people, but whatever, I still have fun with it. So you just do this, right? You see their guys, I'm probably gonna lose. See, I have a team of rares. He has a team of 2 rares in an epic, so I'm probably gonna lose. So then you click fight and you just wait until you lose. Because I am going to lose. See, you've lost. And then it minuses your trophies. I have a bunch of trophies, 711, because I played it a lot and I win a lot. And you get like 20 to 30 trophies when you win. And I have lost a little bit, so yeah. But yeah, I'm probably gonna win this one. Ready? Yeah! See, 28 trophies, 2 pixel balls, I guess, and then 7 pixel dust. I know it's completely like a copy of Pokemon Go, but it's still kind of fun because you don't have to move anywhere because the GPS doesn't even work. But yeah, now I have 739 trophies and a bunch of pixel balls.
What are you doing?
I was just about to collect all the garbage.
Oh, I thought you were like Santa Claus with your bag of goodies.
I come in here to get the garbage, and I see you filming him asleep on the couch, and I didn't want to wake him.
Oh, okay.
Mom, I just realized I forgot
doing
about doing the recycling.
Jason and I did the recycling.
Yeah. You can do the trash.
Thank you. My job is
You
not
guys just in here like laying around? Let's throw her in and go to bed. He's tired. I woke up early this morning.
You did.
I woke up at 8.
But I stayed.
Yeah, you guys.
Bed.
And I actually went back to bed. I came in, woke them up, and went back to bed.
You did?
Yeah. What?
That's mean.
No, it's not.
Wake up and then wake them up and go back to bed. Yeah, it's kind of mean.
Hey guys.
Hi.
You guys look tired.
I'm tired.
We have like no energy. No energy.
You woke us up so early.
Oh, it was 8 o'clock.
So early.
Yeah. Most kids are in school by 8 o'clock, okay?
That's true.
Yeah. School around here starts at 8:15.
I had to catch a bus by like 6 o'clock in the morning when I was a kid, so.
Right? I know. I remember I had to be at the bus stop. I think I had to be at the bus stop for like 7.
For me, it was 6.
Yeah.
In between, I think like 5:45 and 6:15, depending on the school.
Yeah. Well, I didn't live that far from school, but I had to be at the bus stop for like 7 because school started at like 7:30 or some ridiculous time. But yeah, but the schools here start like 8:15 or something like that. Yeah. I looked up the schedule today. 'Cause I was
Just
just,
about right.
yeah, I wanted to see when their school schedule was.
I know sometimes the school bus wakes me up here.
It's been
7-ish.
Yeah, the child that lives down the street goes to school, and he hasn't been off. Like I think he went to school pretty much most of the summer. But what's he doing?
I don't know. We lost the
He's
twin.
spitting out gum.
Oh, okay.
So we lost a twin.
All right. Welcome back, Jaden.
Hi.
So we had a great day.
Yeah.
Anything you guys want to talk about?
No.
No.
Got nothing.
How are the? Yeah. Okay.
How are the yeah?
I was gonna say something, and I changed my mind. Oh no, I'm tired.
Yeah.
This happens when you get up early. But we had a great day.
You said it wasn't early.
I was working all day, so like I wasn't even around most of it tonight.
Oh, actually, I have one thing. I was reading the Harry Potter book, and I'm at when right before Harry goes into Hogwarts.
Oh, awesome. Very, very good.
I got an email from the library. We gotta bring the books back this week or something. Maybe like Thursday, I think.
Yeah. That's good. We can do that. All right. So I guess this is going to be our ending. Don't really have a whole lot to talk about. We did stuff. We ate. We walked. We hunted for Pokemon. We did pretty good today,
Had a
actually.
Lickitung in the house.
Yeah.
Flea.
He was here and I pulled up and I was like, what's that?
No, I didn't get it either.
He was something new for me and Jason. The boys already had
No,
one.
I didn't.
Oh, you don't have one yet?
No.
Oh.
I got one from a 5-kilometer range.
It was like
a long time ago.
It was like 700 mine.
You remember I showed you that text of that Pokemon that I hatched? That Geodude? I ended up getting a second one Geodude.
Oh.
Yeah, I hatched 2 eggs and they were both Geodudes. Imagine that. But,
Jesse
yeah.
has 2 Geodudes.
Yep, I do now too. But yeah, so it was a fun day. Weather was beautiful out today. Absolutely beautiful. Beautiful out. I really liked it.
I didn't pick it up.
I know.
I made it to the mailbox outside.
Yeah. You're going to make it to bring the rubbish out to the end of the driveway. Jason hates to do the rubbish.
I'd suck at this one into it.
No.
It's his job.
I'm so tired.
Aww. Alright. Hey, listen guys. We got some new subscribers.
Oh, that's amazing. Wow.
Yes.
So what we would like to say to all those new discoverers is welcome to all the new discoverers. Thank you for discovering, watching, and everything. And if you haven't clicked the subscribe button, please do that because you want to join the Twitter family. You know why? Because we do daily vlogs and get up early. And we're so tired tonight.
Alright. We'll see everybody tomorrow.
Bye.